Why is this significant?
Well, it will affect a number of administration officials whose testimony has been sought by Congress. The judge said that these officials do not have blanket immunity and that the White House cannot claim any sort of absolute privilege to prevent them from testifying. Now, importantly, the judge did say that they can invoke executive privilege, which covers confidential advice giving between the president and his aides. It obviously would not affect national security matters, but it would require at each stage to them to declare precisely what it is, what reasons they are invoking this privilege for. So it would be a major defeat for the administration and the claim that none of his aides have got to testify before Congress. There's probably will be appeal, but McGahn's lawyer said that he is ready to comply, pending any sort of stay ordered by an appeal. But that will be up to the Department of Justice, who will be handling the case. This could also potentially affect testimony from someone like former National Security Advisor John Bolton, who was seen as a key player in some of the events surrounding the president's actions with Ukraine that are at the center of the impeachment investigation. And obviously, McGahn is key to the investigation of whether the president tried to obstruct the Robert Mueller probe.
Joe, as you mentioned, the president was keen to see McGahn protected by presidential immunity, and the Democrats equally keen to have him testify. So what does he know that could be so interesting? What are we expecting to hear from Don McGahn?
Well, McGahn was a central figure in the Mueller report, detailing instances where the president tried to block or otherwise impede the investigation that Mueller was undertaking to investigate the Russian interference in the 2016 election, and whether the Trump campaign may have worked with or in concert with the Russian disinformation campaign. So this is one of the key pieces of the impeachment inquiry. But again, the other effect may be on some other witnesses that Congress has been eager to hear from, such as Bolton, Secretary of State Michael Pompeo, and others. And they could fill in a few of the blanks that the Democrats say that they have been unable to get some of the firsthand witnesses to actions within the White House. And in fact, one of the complaints from Trump and Republicans has been that the Democrats have relied in some cases on secondhand testimony. This would remove that and get right much closer to the center of all this, and with people with direct knowledge and direct interactions with the president.